Hello everyone, I am Daniel's son. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers, What Do I Need? By Deborah Schecter. I need a table. I need a table. I need a chair. I need a chair. I need a blanket. I need a blanket. I need a pillow. I need a pillow. I need a snack. I need a snack. I need a flashlight. I need a flashlight. I need a friend. I need a friend.